So a question I get asked all the time is, what's the best shipping option to pick on AliExpress? Because there's ePacket, there's like Suncorp, there's AliExpress standard shipping, there's China EMS, there's a bunch of shipping options. Which is the best option? Now the simple answer is you want to go ahead and look at the shipping time versus the cost. I'm willing to pay an extra $1 for ePacket or any other type of shipping if I'm able to save more than a week for my customer. Now if it costs an extra $5 to save 1 week, maybe I'll go ahead and stick with that sort of cheaper option, just because $5 per unit is a lot. That's like literally 5x the shipping cost. Usually I'm paying $1 for shipping. If I'm paying $5, that's super expensive, and I might skip on saving 1 week and go with the cheaper option and use that $4 to reinvest into better customer service. So here's a segment from a program that if you guys want to go ahead and join, click the links below where we go ahead and talk in depth about this topic.
That question you said earlier, ePacket versus standard shipping, AliExpress standard shipping, can you explain that?
Yeah, so what I like to pick is I usually like to pick the match of speed and time. For example, if you have ePacket at $3 and you have Ali at $1, I'll probably go ahead with Ali, even though it's like 1 to 2 weeks slower, because I'm saving $2 whole on every single order. Now, if the price is $2.50 and $2, I'll probably pay the extra 50% to get 1 or 2 weeks of faster shipping. So I don't really discriminate between either options, because both has tracking, both are pretty stable. It all comes to shipping time versus price. I'm willing to pay 50% extra to get faster shipping by 1 or 2 weeks, but I wouldn't be willing to pay an extra $1.50 to get faster shipping that is 1 or 2 weeks faster. So that's sort of my range and how I pick. And that's the video. As you can see, very straight to the point. That's the answer. It's simple as that. You want to go ahead and just sort of compare the shipping time versus the cost and make an informed decision which one would be better for your situation. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Question of the day, what's your favorite shipping option? I personally love using ePacket. Like, I know people say it's long, but it does the job. Before I end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. On that, I hope you guys had an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value.